Welcome to this video, where we will help you choose the right circuit protection system for your project. We'll review the RCCB and RCBO side by side, comparing every feature to help you make the perfect choice. Electricity presents two primary hazards: current leaks, which cause electric shocks, and circuit overloads, which cause electrical fires. Circuit protection systems are essential for mitigating these risks. The RCCB, or Residual Current Circuit Breaker, is designed to stop electric shocks. It detects leaking residual current and trips the circuit in milliseconds to ensure safety from earth leakage. However, the RCCB ignores circuit overloads and cannot stop electrical fires alone. Installers must pair it with a miniature circuit breaker, or MCB, to achieve full protection. The RCBO, or Residual Current Breaker with Overcurrent, is an all-in-one device. It combines RCCB and MCB functions to deliver complete circuit protection against leakage, overload, and short circuits. Both devices monitor wire current based on Kirchhoff's law. The RCBO adds thermal protection, where overloads bend an internal metallic strip, breaking the circuit. In round 1, panel space and wiring. The RCCB system requires two devices, crowding the panel and complicating wiring. The RCBO system uses one device, freeing panel space and simplifying installation. Round 2 focuses on troubleshooting faults. RCCBs trip the whole system, obscuring the fault location. RCBOs, however, isolate specific circuits, pinpointing the exact problem instantly. In round 3, we analyze cost. The RCCB costs less upfront, but requires extra MCB purchases. The RCBO costs more per unit but saves labor time and panel space, offering long-term value. RCCBs are ideal for basic safety needs. They are best suited for smaller residential homes and projects operating on tight electrical budgets. RCBOs are the choice for premium safety. They protect modern smart homes and secure heavy industrial loads, where complete protection is paramount. This decision matrix summarizes the key features. Note that RCBOs provide full protection against earth leakage, overload, and short circuit, while requiring less panel space despite a higher upfront cost. Selecting the correct tripping curve is vital. Types A, C, A, F, and B handle various current detections, from standard alternating current to smooth direct currents. Mandatory system maintenance requires regular testing of your devices. Press the test button quarterly to ensure the internal mechanics are working correctly. To conclude, prioritize human safety and system reliability. Select the RCCB for strict budgets, but upgrade to the RCBO for total protection and ease of use.